Remove the glass retainer bar by undoing the screws on the right and the left. Using the sucker pad provided, remove the front glass.
Remove the screws holding the heater housing in place. Remove the connections from the heater and switch. Please note their position for when you come to rewire the heater. Undo the screws holding the heater to the heater housing. If you need to replace the element, simply push the clips at each end back into place. Take the new heater and screw into place. Reconnect the heater and switch. Once completed, you may want to test the heater by turning it back on at the mains. For safety, please remove any tools used from inside of the fire and refrain from touching any of the fire's electronic components during this step. Once completed, simply reverse steps 1 to 3.